Foxy Mom's Wellness Wednesday, and if you suffer from allergies, you may be contributing to the problem and not even realize it. Dr. Caplan with Colorado Springs Allergy and Asthma Clinic is here to explain. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. You know, the allergy season, it's upon us. You know, with the freezing temperatures, that helps a little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't quite feel like allergy season out there, but you know, it's here, and it'll perk up a little bit after we get a little bit of moisture and a little bit of warming up period.
Yeah, so we're trying to prepare you and maybe do some things that could help you. I suffer from allergies. A lot of people, the stuffy, you know, nose, the sneezing, you know, the wheezing at times. It's misery, and so you say, really, if you suffer from these things, you might want to look at your kind of your home environment to see if contributing factors.
Right, and a lot of times after we test someone and find out what they're allergic to, the first thing we talk about is environmental control. What things can you be doing at home to decrease your allergen exposure? And we focus on the bedroom, you know, where the kids sleep or where the adults sleep. Try to make that as allergy-free as you can.
Okay.
You can't allergy-proof your whole home. You know, and a lot of times people don't get rid of pets. I mean, pets are part of the family, so they like to stay. But we try to keep the pets out of the bedroom. Try to keep your bedroom a pet-free zone. Put a HEPA filter, an HEPA or high-efficiency particulate air filter in your bedroom, and then shut the doors. You know, leave the windows shut. Try to run air conditioning or even a window unit if you can, and just try to keep your bedroom at least an allergy-free zone.
Well, you spend a lot of time in your bedroom, that's for sure. You know, you sleep there at least hopefully 8 hours. So you actually have a list of some of the 10 biggest mistakes people make when it comes to allergies. So we're going to put that up. You say people leave the windows open. Right.
So if the windows are open, you know, in Colorado it's great because it cools off at night and you get that nice breeze. But if the windows are open, all that pollen is blown in right on top of you. And a lot of people have windows right by their bed, so it just blows right on top of you. So if you can keep the windows shut, that really helps the pollen not blow on you. And just like you said, you spend the most consecutive hours in the bedroom, so that's where we try to keep it allergy-free.
You say to pay attention to the pollen counts and also exercising at the wrong time. What do you mean by that?
Right. So pollen counts, you can check us out on csallergy.com.
Okay.
We have the pollen counts right there. Yeah, just go to our website and there's a pollen counter right there so you can check when the pollen counts are high or low. And then the exercise question, a lot of people like to exercise early morning, but that's sometimes when the pollen counts are high. So if you can change your walk or your run or your bike ride to the evening hours, there's usually less pollen counts during the evening times. So that's a better time to exercise.
Okay, and you say people sometimes undermine their air purifier.
Right, so if you have your windows open and your bedroom open with an air purifier in there, it's not going to really recirculate the air. You know, they're only designed for a specific amount of square footage, so try to keep the door shut to your bedroom.
All right, and also you want to make sure that your EpiPen is not expired.
That's right, keep your EpiPen, keep your EpiPen in date. And the other thing that's on that list is the hypoallergenic pets that you talked about. Right, so a lot of people, those pets are marketed as hypoallergenic dogs or cats. There's really no such thing.
You're kidding.
No, unfortunately. So, but those dog breeds tend not to shed very much. And the breeds that don't shed tend not to spread their allergen around. So they're marketed as hypoallergenic. They secrete the same protein that the other dogs do. It just comes from their skin and sometimes their saliva as well. So it really doesn't matter long hair, short hair. You just want a dog breed that doesn't shed very much, but they're not really hypoallergenic.
All right, well, some of the other things really quickly because we are out of time. You want to make sure you don't have a lot of clutter. You don't want to ignore your symptoms. When we say you're down with down, you know, down comforters, that's with the feather. You could be allergic to that as well. And if you sleep with your pet, that might not be the best thing either.
Yeah, you may want to kick them out of your bed and out of your bedroom.
Do that.
But set up a nice little area for them somewhere else in the house.
Make sure they're comfy. Give us your website again.
Yeah, so we're csallergy.com. We've got pollen counts and a lot of good tips out there for allergy sufferers.
Trying to help people out, right?
Absolutely.
Right before we get hit hard with that allergy season.
Always.
Dr. Caplan, thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll be right back.